I'm sorry to say this. When you want to turn the Chamber of Parliament into a palace, then you become a tyrant.
Is he a tyrant?
He's becoming. And I'm sorry I'm saying this because this is my favorite speaker. I mean
you elected him.
I can tell you.
You whip your members to elect him.
I can tell you that if there's a member of Parliament today in this house who, if I were a Suku fan, will enjoy the reign of this speaker, I don't think anybody will have enjoyed his reign better than me.
I mean, he owes his speakership to your whipping abilities.
Just as I disagree with Professor Oquaye, I disagree a number of times with Duajao. I won't say because Bagbin is my favorite speaker.
Have you told him this, that he's become a tyrant directly? Because you have a clear line.
I have said that several times.
And what is his response?
He disagrees with me, but I tell him that, tell me what chief does, a chief will do in his palace. When he says anything, that's fine. That's what chiefs do. But you are not a chief. You are supposed to be a Speaker of Parliament. And the Speaker of Parliament listens to both sides and patiently, even where there's disagreement. And that's the essence of democracy. To sometimes even disagree, agree to disagree. But where you personalize it and make it look as if a disagreement is a disrespect to you, or it's an affront to you, or it's like denigrating you, then I'm sorry, then you'll be a bad speaker. And for nothing, this is where I respected Professor Oquaye. Where you have all the leaders teaming up and agree on something, he will easily abandon.
He built consensus on both sides.
Far better
than your own NDC.
I'm saying it without an apology.
Speaker of Parliament.
Oquaye built consensus far better than we are having now. Because you see, I mean, I'm sorry I'm saying this, and I'm the one saying this. When you make it difficult for others to even air their views before you, they simply fold their arms.
Have you folded your arms?
I will never. I'm not the type who folds their arms. I will challenge it anytime. I will challenge it anytime, any day. Unless I'm not given the opportunity to speak.
One Kennedy a comprehend a Japan once and seminal. Nature some Babe TSC or Mampanida da John Dramani Mahama and Sama or Koke Kaye or say City News or say TV3, whatever interview or moneno a year. Eddie Kaino, me pese me bought me wura a year former and as a former for Monfanchem. Me pese me bura doma hene akachi. Na semu wabab one day so I say ni din beda pa de e na say bi obedin se huna me abo ni din na ni moso mpanifo se antimu a etete wontoma eni nti do ma hene se akunya na wote so no wo hwe na uni ni die ma akunya na so ali free so because ye mpese ye be kasa na akwati akunya no ba de wo ye bia so twe akunya no ti akasaba de ade bia wo do ma hene wo ye bia wo twe akunya no ti akasaba 2012 prior to election, John Dramani Mahama, former president, His Excellency, Ebesrao, Ewadoma. Now, Obaye no, o kachire ni said John Dramani Mahama a transform Doma ama akwa Ghana nyina no kra no, unhu bi da. Enu nti so bia beka na no atuma, wo Doma hene. Obaye serial caller edi amano. Wo see in your video, wo see kana o kan akwana akwanie ni abwaje so pin what can schools are wesi o kan ya besi unyuma ya fedodo these were your words so wa yedoma kra ma chese so bia kra anka wo be ye serial call ma no na ne de ekoba ne sen na wasan twa wo se doma ekura tetapa nsam ne development ama doma aka akiri so wahu wanim gwase wa ankasa no wo ye nipa bia ahenie bi mfataw minhu ohina wonko ahomache na yede ukotena akunya so ma ukoso ahenie bi emfataw no ayese akunya no begu hu fi enti wo de gu hu fi ne ko enti na enye gba yi baby foko na beto abo ano so nte ya jama o chiamen kasa ana doma ahene na chiamen na ho doma akunya no chiamen na ho wa no nte mesi afama o chiamen no nkasa emaw no ano nte na wo ba nipa ma hunu se wo ye ohene Sa atade na ani anwan abiebie obatom sese bi ko dwiam bi a oba nipa mu no fin na de ka do mama nti mu nso atuhinifo o hye atade na ba no mo hwe ne ha ama ndi atade no aba nipa mu empanyifo se ohina wontie futu no ono eda wode na ntoma sebi eti agyanan ekobedwam nti ebia na maka no mu antimi mi wie na makoto gbe afede o style of politics no airtime and the way where you and the new be asem when I pay wo do ho and the media say ohini bi ka se metaa manyoko we echi no me ni problem. I don't have any problem only oye nipa and he has also right to make a choice. O your ohini enche say why you super being but you can say o your ohini a ube
me parking motor so in fact say me the car me kwachi me the car na kwaduma diesel na fo what from crashing petrol and the diesel more than any possible. Okay, as a political talk, maybe be a politician, but can also your baby one with you too. Both NDC and PP, maybe be a show bar or betting and yet possible. And Team French with him said, the what can be also achieve and yet possible, but if you did her. There's a Usiani. No man of Kayano. The Oya or mining net in your benefit, a ye good and no necessary side. Shani, a good for the buyer or can send me. Mahama about the same thing with me, Debbie. And there was some say, or no, not tax system, no. Kaya for and free education to me, Najak Kaya no swa. I ne, you know, nedness, Nadia dances say, Uqua class is in up a Kayu crowd break. Kayu. Oh, break Kayu. Because a ne, oh, no, mamma, and Timinko school now, no best so swat. And no man, sana, almost Masaku school, and no Neku school. Na Kayu, none tax that so, and I was so bad what will be making it in a free tax. Ain't it possible? What if it's mine? Or be a free tax into or man best asking by next 30 years. Untimi. There is no government. I will bet my bam with that tax. I will bet my achieve. Ain't it possible? Fatu trim. Say a joke, a concert, or the what being diagro. Only the what being a diagro. There is no president. I will bet me about cancel taxes. I will bet my achieve for so trim. Obeka to trim say ya ontimi nya. Obaka be increasing no. Because with that tax system, ontimi achieve. And until I was here you are no benefit no. Tax ni petue ni kromo ha say no. Si e ka. Enye so eso mfa so ne yedie no. Nye so mfa so kwa no. Enu na madam for make I na say Ghana kota dia ye je over at na me wagimi o. E hwa na me yi me fu am